Today I have a HP laptop, and this laptop model is HP ProBook 440 G4 laptop. And check this model here, and you can see here, and this laptop model is HP ProBook 440 G4. Okay, this laptop problem is power is not turning on. Press the power button, but power is not turning on. Okay, let's plug in the charger. Before I plug in, you just check it, the charger voltage. Here is a 9 voltage present. Okay, let's plug in it. You can press it, but no response. Okay, see, here the charging rate is not glowing, but here is a simple trick to fix this, and I will try to, at first I will apply this trick, and after that I will open the laptop. Okay, just unplug the charger, and this power button, press it for 20 seconds. Okay, after 20 seconds you just release the power button. Okay, after that press it, but not respond, and plug in here. Is not working. Okay, let's open it and try to fix it very easily, and let's see what happened. And I will open all this screw from the button cover, and it will take some time, but I don't waste your time. But after opening this motherboard, and I will show. After opening this laptop, just disconnect this from here and open this part. And this part also. After opening this, and you just remove the battery for 1 minute or 2 minutes. And disconnect the battery for 2 or 3 minutes, and after that I will plug the charger, and let's see what happened. Okay, after 2 minutes, and I am just plugging the charger. Let's see what happened. And you can see here is the charger, it is clone. Okay, and connect the power switch, and let's see what happened. And power LED's power switch is connected, and press it, but still is not working here. Here is some problem, and I need to be fix it. Okay, this is a circuit problem. Okay, motherboard problem. I need to be find out what is the problem. You can see this here in this circuit, and here is something is fall. Something is dropping is here in this on the circuit. Okay, let's open it before I do anything, and that is the reason also this circuit is not turning on. Okay, let's open it, and this is the area. Here is fall something. Set is clean. Okay, and this is the IO chips, and I want to also clean also these chips. And here is something and after cleaning this, and I will dry this circuit. Okay, our circuit is dry, and let's check it closely. Here is any moisture or not. This is absolutely clean, and here is no problem. And let's check it, and I'll check some short circuit randomly. And here is a very simple way to checking short circuit, and you just hold this positive lead in a ground position, ground pin, and hold the negative lead caps and other pin. Okay, every caps, and this one is negative, and here this one is not short. Okay, let's check it randomly, some capacitor. Okay, and here is showing 5 ohms, and this is the processor caps, and it's showing 5 ohms. It's okay, but this is not short. 7 ohms, this is okay. Ground, and no short circuit, 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 but here is no short circuit. Okay, let's plug in the charger and check it what happened. Okay, plug in the charger and check it what happened, and plug in, charging electric on and off, and press the power button. Yes, power is working. Okay, maybe our circuit is okay, and check it what happened here, and processor also heating, maybe it would be work. Unplug the charger from here and install the RAM. Okay, connect the display. Let's see this what happened here, and this is working or not. Okay, display is connected, and plug in it. Yes, power is turned on, and see display is come or not, working or not. Yes. Okay viewers, our laptop is fully ready, and cooling finish is spinning. Okay, thanks for watching.